shelter, gotta run for shade. It's too hot, lady.
What's up, guys? I'm checking out more Chic, and this one's titled Open Up, requested by James Harrison Bacon. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one before, but I'm really looking forward to it. Gotta love Chic. You just have to. They're a classic 70s, or I guess 80s, late 70s, early 80s R&B group. And yeah, I really enjoy listening to their music. And the music that I have listened to, most of it has been like 10 out of 10, like straight up. But yeah, Open Up. Haven't heard this one. That being said, let's check it out. Violin. Stuff. Just realized the bass. Yeah, this is a deadly combination right now. Violin and bass. Oh my goodness. Okay, that was kind of sick. Not even kind of, that was sick. That was like a funky orchestral track or something. I don't know. It was like their take on orchestral music. That was solid, man. I really Really enjoyed that one. And like I said earlier, that bass and violin combo, that was deadly. That was just pure deadly. But yeah, I really enjoyed that one. Nice little instrumental. Wasn't expecting that. But I mean, it's not like too far out. I mean, because what's his name again? Now Rogers. He, I think, when it comes to producing, is yeah, he's had his like hand in a lot of things and clearly can do instrumentals. So I mean, I guess it wouldn't obviously be too far out of a thing. But yeah, man, that was sick. I really like that violin bass combo. And like I said, it felt uh very much like their take on orchestral music, just adding that layer of funk to it and making it something you can kind of move to. But yeah, I really enjoyed that one. Open Up from Chic. And if you guys enjoyed it as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.